Okay, plans to list as is on MLS. Need to decide whether we do anything with the bushes or just leave them, whether we clean the roof off, just leave it. No bushes on the other side. Go ahead and take you over there. You can see that gate is locked. There's the air conditioner. You know, if you were to retail, all the windows would have to be redone. It's got really nice brick on the house. Like I said, all the windows would have to be redone. If you were renting, you could probably salvage these floors. If you were retail, you could not. Obviously, it's a smoker house. You can see where the white is, you know, decent light fixture. We'll need to remove the curtains for the as-is listing and that off the wall. Water heater's in good condition. Central heat and air, from what I've been told, functions. It is not new, but it functions. And here we'll need to get rid of the bookshelf, empty out the closet, throw some of this stuff away. You know, these are, I think these were probably originally white. They're not white anymore, but they do hide the old chunky windows. So don't know if we take those off for the as-is sale or not. We'll go in the kitchen last. Most of the closets have little crap in them. We need to make sure we tell whoever cleans it out, the little crap goes in first, followed by the furniture. You notice cracks in the walls throughout the house. Foundation has been repaired. Need to fill out paperwork to transfer warranty into my name from Metrotex. Need to probably leave the shower curtain. Take that stuff off the wall though. Make sure all the cabinets are empty. Just little stuff needs to be thrown away. Take down all the curtains, all the stuff off the walls. Homeowner special in here. Kitchen, throw that thing away. Put all that in the bag at the bottom. Probably should get rid of that refrigerator. They just sit that on the curb and hope someone picks it up. Oh, you can't do that with refrigerators. Clean out all the cabinets. Again, take down all the curtains. Got this stuff. Oh, this is one of my major concerns is, you know, there was a crack in the slab originally before the foundation was repaired. So, you know, there was part of me that thought about putting just a coat of paint on this place and having Ideal Floors come change all the flooring out, hardware, light fixtures, and put it on MLS that way. But again, it's all about what we think can make us the most money with the least risk. A bunch of little stuff in the back needs to be thrown away. You can have that chimney if you want it. Got a gas grill, wheelbarrow, other stuff, T-post, construction wire. Should have put my gloves on. Just clean that out, throw all that in the dumpster. Then you got the stuff in the attic. I mean the garage. Washing machine.